How to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can edit a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to edit a shortcut on Snapchat, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application. Let's say that you took a certain snap and you want to send it to your shortcut people, but then you want to edit those shortcuts now because the people that you added early on, you don't want to add them again. So what do you do to edit the shortcut? Because you can see I have got at least 4 different shortcuts at the top. So to edit a shortcut, I just need to tap the plus icon on the right hand side. Here you'll find the option called edit, which I can simply choose any of the shortcuts over here if I want to edit. Now I can simply go ahead and add the people or remove the people if I want, depending upon who I want to add as well as remove. Now I can tap the save option in order to save the changes for this shortcut. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically add or edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.